In this video today, I want to show you how to make money online by getting paid to chat. You can earn as much as $5 per minute that you chat online. In fact, you can earn a lot more. If you charge $1 per minute for 20-minute chat, you will earn $15. If you charge $3 per minute for 20-minute chat, you will earn $36. If you charge $5 per minute for 20-minute chat, you will earn $60. And you can also charge a flat rate up to $200 for chatting. And this goes up the more you chat, you can make tens of thousands of dollars online with this strategy. And the best part is you can get set up and started making money today with no setup cost or monthly fees. And this is worldwide strategy. You can get paid into your PayPal account or enter your Payoneer account. And in this video, I am going to show you step by step how you can get paid just to chat online using nothing but your mobile phone. So what I would like you to do for me is appreciation is smash that like button and just go down the bottom and comment. Let me know what is your weekly goal online and how much money do you need to make money online. Because I think this strategy over here can meet that threshold. And let's get into the video. So the platform that you want to go is this one over here called premium.chat. And as you can see, you can get paid to chat, consult with your clients, fans and followers. This will allow you to monetize your website, social media accounts by charging for your voice calls, video calls or text-based chat. And at the end of this video, I am going to show you one of the best ways that you can link this with, so that you can start to charge people for chatting with them online. And as you can see, this is what your potential, if you want to call it a landing page, is going to look like. And this can be set up in less than 3 minutes. And as you can see, you can get set up in 3 minutes. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. When you scroll down here, you can see that this is perfect for people like performers, coaches, counselors, consultants, attorneys. As you scroll over, you are going to see a lot more like teachers, technicians. Then you are going to see things like creators, influencers, and etc. Now you can scroll down here and you can go through and take a look at this. You can also get paid to video call. You don't have to video call. What I'm going to be using is get paid to text chat. We all use our mobile phones every single day. We text people non-stop. You can also get paid for calls. They have got 3 different options. It's entirely up to you which one you want to go with. And you can see that your time is obviously important, and so you can set the rate as to how much you want to get paid. And the best part is this app is going to look after everything for you. Now I am going to show you exactly how this works. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go over here and you want to click on to sign up now. Before we sign up, what I want to do is show you exactly how much money you can potentially make. If you scroll up to the top and you click onto the earning potential, it's going to bring us over to this page now. You can see here under the billing section, if I click onto this, I can charge as little as $1 per minute or all the way up to $8 per minute, and I can even charge a flat rate. You can see here that some people are charging as much as $200 flat rate to chat to people online or to consult with their followers, with their clients, etc. And there are people paying this sort of money. And I have done the research and you will be surprised with how much people are willing to pay. But when you are starting out, what I recommend you is that you probably start off with $1 to $3 per minute and don't go any higher than that. So if you want to set this at $3, and you will have to chat, and you will to chat, let's say only for 20 minutes. Let's recalculate this. You can make $36. You can make $36 in just 20 minutes of chatting, which means if you chat for 60 minutes with $3 per minute chat rate, you will earn $108. So just for chatting 60 minutes to various people around the world, and you can see if you have 5 chats, you can make as much as $180 a day. So what you want to do from here is you want to click on to sign up. So once you sign up, It's going to bring you over to this page that looks like this, where you can sign up, whether it be through your Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or Google. I signed up through Google. Once you click onto that and click on to sign up, it's going to bring you over to a page that looks like this. This is your welcome aboard now. This is where you need to link your different type of social media handles and also create your profile name and your profile description. Put in your gender and click on to save. This is what mine looks like, so people know exactly who they are talking to. From there, I have put in a very simple profile description. You are going to see what this looks like, and you can link a few of social media accounts. Then you click on to save. Once you have done that, it's going to bring you over to this section, which is step 1, which means you want to create your widget. Widget is that landing page that I just spoke to you about a second ago. So what you want to do from there is click on to create widget. And once you do that, it's going to bring you over to this page. Now you can see you have got all these different colors that you can choose from. You can even create your own custom color. Now this is what people are going to see before they select whether or not they are going to chat with you. You can see here I have got topic. If you want help starting a successful online business, message me now. You can do this in the relationship niche. You could do this with fitness, with personal development. You could do this with anything that you have a skill with, whether it be cooking, camping, fishing, anything that you have skills with. You can do this and you can help people. You'll be surprised with how much people are willing to chat with you to get this advice. And then down the bottom, I have got description. Hit me up for a private one-to-one chat to help you get started from there. As you scroll down, this is where you can set your price per minute. Now this is going to allow you to customize your price. You can select a flat rate. I highly recommend that you run per minute. Then down here you can see that you can select chat length. The reason why I select 20 minutes is because when somebody goes to check out and purchase this, it's going to tell them that it's going to make sure that they have at least $36 in their account before they will be allowed to continue with this chat. If you choose 30 minutes or an hour, they only chat with you for 15 minutes. They are only going to be charged for 15 minutes. However, they need to make sure that they have got all that money in their account. So I prefer the person sees a smaller amount, and I'll show you that in a second. Once you have done that, what you want to do is you want to click on to save widget. Once you have clicked on to the save widget, it's going to show you exactly what this looks like. Now this is my avatar and this is what I have just created. So people are going to see this when they click onto my link. So you want to make sure that doesn't look too expensive so that more people are going to click onto this. But if they end up chatting to you a little bit more, you are still going to be get paid even more. Now what you want to do is here, this is what people are going to see when they click onto my link. And if they click onto let's chat now, I'm going to get a message telling me that somebody wants to chat with me, and then I can decide whether or not I'm going to chat with them. And you have 5 minutes to respond. So once you have got this is then what's going to happen is you are going to get this notification letting you know that step 2 is you need to add your social media or website. You need to link your Instagram, TikTok, Twitter or Facebook to this website so that it activates your profile. And basically all you need to do is super simple, guys. As you can see, all I needed to do was come over to my Instagram account and link it over here. So if anybody clicks onto this, now they will have the opportunity to have a chat with me for $3 per minute. And I'll give him any secrets that they need in order to help them start an online business, making money online, and tell them exactly how I did it and what I do. So this is what you need to do for step 2. You need to link that. Once you have gone and linked that on there, then your account is set up like this and you will be able to see your dashboard from there. And you want to do quite simple as you want to click on to top, you want to scroll down and you want to go to settings. Once you click onto settings, it's going to bring you over to this page, and then on the left hand side over here, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you set up your payment method. Now once I click on to payment method, what you are going to see here is that you have got the choice of being paid via PayPal or being paid via Payoneer. This is really good because this allows you to get paid even if you are in countries where PayPal is not accepted and vice versa. So you have got two different options. So this is how you're going to set up your payment method. From now, all you need to do is come over to your dashboard, and once you're on your dashboard, you have got the option of obviously adding this widget. If you want to add it, it's completely up to you. You can come over here and you can copy the HTML code, and then you can start inputting this into different social media apps. For example, within Instagram, all you need to do is put that over here, a link in your description, and you could have different type of content that you are putting up, and I guaranteed you people will contact you for your expertise regardless of what niche you are currently in. And I highly recommend that you create a Facebook group and put your link there. Also on TikTok page, it is super powerful. So sharing your link across social media platforms, helping people with chatting, you can grow your audience and alongside make a very good passive income base. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like in appreciation and go down the bottom and make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I have got some more awesome content coming out that will help you start making hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every single day. Take care.